In this video, we'll be telling about how to make your Threads account private account. If you are making your account private account, everyone cannot see your profile. Only your followers can see your profile. And if anyone wants to follow you, you need to accept that request. Then only they can follow you. So that's an interesting feature. Anyways, to make your Threads account private account, what you need to do is open Threads application. After that, down here you can see profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that, you can see edit profile option. Click on edit profile. When you are clicking on that, down here you can see private profile. Sometimes it will be turned off. If you want to make it private account, just turn this on. After that, above you can see done button. Click on this done button. When you are clicking on that, you can see a warning message like this. Click OK. Now your account is private. And this private profile option you can see here also. Here you can see two lines. Click on these two lines. When you are clicking on that, you can see privacy. Click on privacy. And in privacy, you can see private profile option. If you want to turn it on from there, you can do that also. So this option is available in two places. So this way you can easily make your Threads profile private profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.